Hi, this is Christy Hubler with FabricatedFrames.com, and in making the male dog diaper wrap belly bands for the pug size, I am now on to step 9, which is sewing the opening shut. We had sewn both end caps, if you will, like a pillow. We trimmed, we scored at 45 degrees, we cut off the little excess, trimmed really close, and turned it inside out like a pillow, leaving the side openings open. So when I turned it out, trimmed and turned it out, and I sewed, again, I sewed the end caps. I had 2 openings on the long sides. So and then I had sewn the elastic pocket, so that way it's in the pocket, the elastic. Now we're going to sew the sides shut. So we turned in the seam allowances, and to pin, I basically used my torso, whatever part of your torso you can, and stretched it and pinned it. That's you need both hands, this one and this one, to pin and turn things in, and you're stretching and pinning. And now I'm also going to be stretching as I sew it, so that way I have a nice seam. So I'm using my body, my torso, and both hands when I can to do this. And I'm going to sew a straight stitch on both sides. Thank you. This is Christy Hubler with FabricatedFrames.com.